Hello, I hope that you are having a great leap day so far. We have an extra day this year. So excited for the extra day in February. I can definitely always use one. And happy birthday to all of our leap day babies. I know that you really only get to celebrate your birthday every 4 years. So I hope that you are enjoying this day. We have another day of opportunities this year, and it is today. So I hope that you are taking full advantage of it. Okay, so I am going to share something with you so exciting for the first half of March. So we've done this maybe a couple of other times. Usually though, it's around Black Friday, but we are bringing it around again, and I'm so excited, and this one's really good. So it is our free gift with purchase. And this time it is going to be with our zip top organizing utility tote. So if you spend shopping as a customer $100 in product, that's before tax and shipping, March 1st through the 15th, then you are going to get a free gift with your purchase. And it is going to be a zip top organizing utility tote in the marine blue stripe print for free. So it is going to add to your cart when you have $100 in there. And actually it's for every $100. So if you have $200 in your cart, then you're going to receive 2 of these, okay? And I don't think that we have done this before, but you'll receive free personalization on your zip top organizing utility tote. I'm so excited over this. So I'm going to show you some ideas for the zip top organizing utility tote, how you can build on that and then get it for free. And then I'm going to show you some product bundles, things that you can pair together, and some personalization ideas for this zip top organizing utility tote. It was one of our very first products with 31, or one of our first utility products. And there are so many copycats with this tote because it's amazing. It's great for so many things. So what else do I want to say about this? There was something else. Shoot. Now I don't remember what it was, but just some ideas for you for the zip top organizing utility tote. I'm going to show it to you in detail in just a second. A teacher bag. It is a great teacher appreciation gift. Teachers can use this all the time. A diaper bag, a picnic bag, a gift tote. Oh my gosh. A carry-on bag, tool bag. My husband has one for tools. Stuff for your car, organizing things in your car, auto cleaning supplies, game night, overnight bag. I mean, so many things. Dress up clothes, on the go office. I'll show you a bundle for that. Gardening, hospital bag, kids bag, knitting bag, chemo care bag, arts and craft, cleaning supplies, pool bag, scrapbooking. Where did that come from? Trunk organizing, a boat bag, daycare bag, gifted. I mean, so many uses for that zip top organizing utility tote. Okay, so I don't have it in that print yet, but it's going to be in this marine stripe. So when you look at this, pretend that it is this print. Okay, I just don't have it yet, but it's going to be in the marine blue stripe. So if you were to personalize this, I'm going to show you some other items in this print too, but anything in red looks really good. Red, the papaya thread color. I mean, anything's really going to stand out on here. Black, Caribbean blue, purple. I mean, like anything, whatever your favorite color is, but I love the American flag on there. So pretend like this is in this print, okay? So here is my zip top organizing utility tote here. So you can see that it has a pocket here and a pocket here. And then this one just says broken crayon still color, another 31 sister, and personalized this on one of her totes. And I was like, I love that. So I put that on there. But anyways, on the sides, you have mesh pockets there. And then you have 3 pockets on the back. So this, one of my friends, Misty Thomas, she uses this as her carry-on bag when she is flying. So you can put your drink in there, your bottle of water, any other things that you want to have handy, and it slides under the seat in front of you on the plane. Now the middle pocket on the back is actually larger. So I've got a really huge Tervis tumbler. So the middle, I tried to fit this one in the other ones and it just wouldn't fit. But on that middle pocket, that's just something to call your attention to. So your personalization is going to be on this side where the 2 pockets are on either side, and you've got a big area for personalization. Now, this is so handy if you need to carry it on your shoulder or, carry it in your hands. It does have that zipper closure on the top there. So we are going to build on this bundle and make this a mobile office for you. So we want to get you to that $100 level. So you're going to get this added to your cart for free. I remember what I was going to say. So I don't know how it's going to work with the personalization and stuff. So I think when you have $100 in your cart, this will automatically add to your cart. And then once you're in your cart reviewing, you go like proceed to checkout and you'll see everything in your cart. Then under where you see this, you should see like a hyperlink where it says add personalization. So click that and then you'll be able to add your personalization then after it's in your cart already. I'm pretty sure that's how it's going to go, but not 100%. Okay, so let's build on this bundle. So let's say that we want this to be a mobile office for you. You can see inside of here, I have our fold-in file. I know that you guys remember this from years ago and we brought it back, but it just makes this, and I'm gonna tuck down the top part here so you can see that if you were using this as a mobile office, this fits perfectly down inside. This is a zip top organizing utility tote and the folded file. And then you can put your hanging file folders in here and use this if you're a teacher taking things back and forth, or if you work out of your car. Manila folders can also fit in here, but I love that. Okay, so let's keep building on this mobile office theme here. You will definitely want to add a Let's Lunch thermal. So this is the Let's Lunch thermal in the Midnight Floral. I just want to show you how beautiful this pairs together with the marine stripe. So this is the Midnight Floral print. Look how gorgeous. And if you were choosing this print and you kind of wanted to coordinate your free personalization on that, I might do either the papaya thread color or red. So those are the two colors that I think look the best on here. And those two thread colors will look really good on this too. Look, here's the papaya. Look how pretty that looks together. And then here is that red. Well, we already know the red looks good on there. So we're trying to get you to the $100 level. So we've got you the fold-in file. Then we've added into your cart your Let's Lunch thermal here. So this is a great size for lunch. You got the pocket on the front here, nice long handle, zipper closure. So we're getting you there. So the Let's Lunch thermal and the fold-in file get you to that $50 level. Well, with our customer special, y'all, you get for every 50 you spend, you get a half-priced item. So when I was building these carts, I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm having a hard time getting to the $100 level because of our 50/50 special. So you're getting to stack those savings again. So we've got you to the $50 level. Now, the next item that we add is going to discount at half price. And I thought this is the canvas small square tote. This is it in the coral stripe. And I thought this would look so pretty together. Look at those stripes there. So this is a great everyday purse. So if you're working out of your car, I thought this would be a great one for you. So this is a canvas bag, a big area for personalization here. Personalization thread colors I recommend on this would be caramel, fawn, papaya look the best, I think. You got handles right here. You've got our signature cell phone pocket there on the back. This does have a zipper closure here. Plus, it does come with a crossbody strap. And if you are working out of your car or mobile office, a lot of times you definitely need to be hands-free. So I love that you have that option with this. And then, well, let's look on the inside. So on the inside of here, you've got those two flat interior pockets and a built-in zipper pocket here. But that still didn't get you to the $100 level. So I thought, let's add a mini Benjamins here. So this is the mini Benjamins in the coral peach. Look how beautiful that is together. And I think I have a video on this. I'll link it above. So the mini Benjamins, and then your canvas small square tote, plus your Let's Lunch thermal and that fold-in file get you to that $100 level, and you'll be able to receive your zip top organizing utility tote in the marine stripe print for free. Okay. Also, if you wanted to switch it up a little bit, instead of the fold-in file in here, this is the Commuter Tote organizer. So our Commuter Tote organizer fits also down inside of your zip top organizing utility tote. So if you had that plus your canvas small square tote and the Let's Lunch thermal, that would get you to the $50 or to the $100 level to get you the tote for free. Let's think about travel. Remember how I said my friend Misty uses this as her carry-on bag? Let's think about some other items that you could use as carry-on. So when you carry on. So my favorite is the modular toiletry bag, modular toiletry case, I think is what it's called on my website. But I love this. This is my go-to travel bag. I don't travel without it. I'm serious. Whether I'm flying or whether I'm on a road trip, this is with me. This is kind of an upgraded version of our hanging traveler case, but this of course is in that midnight floral print, which I think pairs very nicely with the marine stripe. I did the personalization kiss and makeup, and I did it in white and papaya thread color. I really wish that I would have changed the white thread to red, because we all know how beautiful that looked on there. So that's just my personal preference. But anyways, you got a handle right here. And then over here, where's my zipper? You got a zipper closure all the way around. And this is my personal one. So there's all kinds of stuff in here. But anyways, this is such a great travel bag. Now, when you are, of course, flying, you'll definitely want your travel size bottles in here. But this is really great for travel. And then also the Voyager tote. Look how beautiful this is. It's so gorgeous. I love this together. So the Voyager tote here, and you can see I did that same, the papaya thread color and the red. Now, if you were to grab the modular toiletry case, add personalization to this, that gets you to the $50 level. Then add your Voyager tote. Remember, it has the trolley sleeve on the back. So this can, did I just zip it up? Has a trolley sleeve on the back, so you can slide this over your rolling luggage, okay? This would be half price. So modular toiletry case, add personalization, then add your Voyager tote. It would discount at half price. That would get you to the $100 level, and then your zip top organizing utility tote will be free with free personalization. Yay! Okay, one more that I will show you. Another one is if you maybe are going like on a beach vacation. So here is my Fresh Market Thermal in that marine blue stripe print. Look how gorgeous this is. So this is the nautical personalization. I did it in the fawn thread color, and then the sea I did in navy. So this is such a great thermal to take with you on vacation. You can put your cold stuff in here. You can put ice directly in here, and it's not going to leak out. So this is really great. So we're going to add your Fresh Market Thermal. Okay. We will also add in a zipper pouch. Okay. Because we're going to use this as kind of like our beach bag, pool bag. So you'll definitely want a zipper pouch for your sunscreens and things like that. So I did the first mate personalization in red there. And then we got to get you, that gets you over to the $50 level. And then you're going to make this New Horizons tote your half price item, right? So this is the New Horizons tote. This is a new personalization option that we have here. You only get to choose one thread color, so you'll have that rope design already. I think that's like a white color. And then the color you get to choose is the anchor, and so that's in red. So this would be your half price item, plus this would get you over to the $100 level, and then you'll have that beautiful set as all of this plus that zip top organizing utility tote as your free item. But remember, this is March 1st through the 15th, and they're saying it's while supplies last. So I really don't know what the supplies look like. So I would definitely say shop early in March. That way you know that you're going to get your free tote. I'm definitely doing that because I've got to have that tote. But so many things to look forward to in March. I'll do another video on March 1st explaining everything to you, but I just wanted to show you that today and kind of give you some ideas about how to pair products together to make a bundle and a solution that works for you. So let me know in the comments what bundle that would work best for you. Would it be like a mobile office and work bundle, like an everyday type bundle? Would it be a travel bundle, or would it be like a beach bundle, like an everyday kind of like, I need this for groceries and all of those things, or keep it into my car? I'd love to know. So keep in mind, okay, so March 1st through the 15th, if you spend, or it's for every $100 that you spend, you will get a free zip top organizing utility tote in the marine blue stripe with free personalization. So don't miss out on that free personalization. Whether you're giving this as a gift, personalize it because it means so much to that person that's receiving it. Okay, and then also you can build on the customer special with this as well. So you get that half price item added in there plus a free tote. I mean, this is huge, y'all. So excited. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited to see in the comments what you are loving as far as bundles go. Okay, that was a lot, but thanks for staying with me. Bye.